Hi Amazon. This is a review of WAITIEE's all-in-one wireless charger. So just got it. Really cool. Really cool. It just really streamlines like all the charging, right? Most chargers have the lightning cables that have to come through the back, and or the Apple Watch charger that has to come through the back. I think I have one somewhere around here. Yeah, it's kind of like this, right? I mean, it's got to come through the back. I mean, look at the cord. It's got to come all over the place. Not with the WAITIEE charger. I mean, this thing is absolutely streamlined. There's one USB-C cord coming out the back, going to the floor. And look at that thing. It's green. Lets you know it's ready. Beautiful LED all the way around the base. I mean, this is just well thought out, well designed. Okay, so let's put it to practical use. First, I'm going to put my AirPod Pros on here, and a little left-handed. There we go. Push it down. Boom. We are charging. Next, I'm going to put my iPhone 11 Pro Max on there, just right there. Boom. Charging. Look at that. Okay. Not too good of a focus. This is my iPhone 7 Plus I'm shooting on. But, I mean, you get it. So that boom. Okay, I've got my AirPod Pros charging. I got the blue LEDs going to let me know it's still active. All devices are still charging. And then lastly, my Apple Watch 5. I'm going to go ahead and put that on as well. Look at this. All in one. That is beautiful. So first impressions, absolutely 5-star. 5-star all the way around, right? Just simplicity, streamline. It's just beautiful design-wise. It's clean. It also comes in white. My wife took the white one, which is about the color of the AirPod Pro shell, if you're thinking about the color of the white. And then this matte black is just really slick, goes with everything I have. It's just fantastic. These guys really did a nice job with this. The breathing light is just amazing, lets you know it's there. It's not too bright, so the lights are off, you're sleeping by the bed, you're not going to get waken up by that light. It's not going to shine off the ceiling or anything like that. It's just enough. And so right now, hey, I couldn't be happier. 5 stars all the way. Brilliant product, brilliant design, great functionality. I'll update this review after several weeks. I just want to make sure that the key charging and everything else is working properly. Hopefully no damage will be done to my phone or the watch or my AirPod Pros. Hopefully no damage will be done to my phone or the watch or my AirPod Pros due to any kind of electrical charging issues or anything like that. But I'm hoping it's just all good. Hoping they all did the testing and everything else, and it's just all good, because if it is, this is brilliant. I mean, this is it. Look no further. All right, thanks guys. Enjoy. One tough reviewer. Peace.